Well, Richard, if it's raining over there, he's probably...
I don't think it was round him, though, was it?
I don't think so.
It didn't look like it was as long as him, but it was.
Yeah, we can do that. I'm gonna set my gun right now.
They probably ain't gonna do nothing anyway till it gets on up a little lighter than this. I'll be out here pretty good from right here. There. He just gobbled, didn't he? He sounded further. I kind of think it might be.
That first one was loud.
I think he is. I think he is. Almost, I think. I wish we was on that tree right there. You think we can get to it? Huh. Much. Drumming's pretty loud. Closer. Sounds like it's almost to rain.
Clicked. I thought he seen something. He didn't even put a dent in it. I ain't believing that. It did click, it clicked, but it didn't. I ain't believing that either.
Didn't even put the fire pan didn't go off.
I ain't believing that. I just ain't got no luck.
How far was that?
Let's see. been about 40 yards, 45. He might have been 50.
You had a good shot.
Well, he turned like he was looking like he saw something. And I could shoot over that limb that's yonder. He had a good.
Dang it, boy.
This ain't my year.
Oh, me.
There was another gobbler gobble somewhere. Did you hear him?
Yeah.
You want to go
You
get
think he
Richard?
didn't have it racked good, or?
That's what I don't know. I pushed it up and it wouldn't go nowhere. But
They think it got pulled back or
I
something?
don't know. It may have hung something and pulled back just a little bit, but it may not have been all the way. That may have been what it was.
Yeah.
But I let it go this morning when I popped it.
What we think we need to do?
We might ought to go get Richard, I guess. There was another gobbler gobbling somewhere in here. I couldn't tell what direction it was. We might can get back on him because I don't think he spooked that bad.
Which one, this one?
Give him a little bit.
One that flew off?
Yeah. You think he's done for the day?
I do.
You think he's done?
He's cautious anyway.
Yeah. I don't believe he'll call him back in. He was bad cautious. I can't believe. That's just one of them things, I guess.
Oh yeah, put it down to there.
It's pretty dangerous. I couldn't see him till I seen him over there, but I couldn't shoot because all them little trees.
I was looking at the layer of this land, and I thought to myself, we just be quiet. He's gonna come through here anyway.
Yeah. He might have to come.
He's gonna come right out through there.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think he saw something?
Well, he done his head down there about that time he throwed it up, and kind of turned like he's finna go back the way he was. Don't know if he seen something or if he was just finna turn.
Well, crap.
He was standing. Let's see if I can see it. He was standing right down yonder. That's what it was. I guess we better head and get Richard.
Alright.
We can see if we can get on another. Dang.
I know how sick that'll make you, because I've had that happen before.
Well, to do all that work on his gun,